Next, find the zeros of a polynomial 2x power 4, 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay, already he has given two of its zeros, root 2 and minus root 2. The power is 4. We will get here 4 zeros of a polynomial. Already he has given 2 zeros of a polynomial. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find it. Okay, these are the 2 zeros of a polynomial. Okay, why? Because the degree is 4. We'll get 4 zeros. Okay, already 2 given and remaining 2 we have to find it. Okay, now see x square minus 2 can be written as x square which is equal to 2. Apply roots on both sides. What you'll get here? Square root will be cancelled, so you'll get here one positive root and next another one is minus root. Why? Because the degree is 2, so you'll get here 2 zeros. One is positive and one is negative. In the same way here, so this equation can be written as x square minus 2. Okay, why? Because root 2 minus root 2. Now x square minus 2 which is equal to 0, then apply roots on both sides. Okay, transpose this equation x square which is equal to 2, apply roots on both sides. Here root square and root will be cancelled, then x is equal to root 2 minus root 2. One is positive, one is negative. Okay, so these square root and minus root, square root, root of 2 and minus root of 2 can be written as x square minus 2. Now divide this total polynomial with x square minus 2. Okay, so these square this root and minus root 2 can be converted as x square minus 2. Now x square minus 2 with 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay, now here 2x power 4 is there, here x square is there, 2x square. Here 2 into x square, yes sir, 2x square into x square, 2x power 4. X square into 2x power 4, 2x square, 2x power 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 4x square. Okay, so here why? Because here x square term is there, here x square term is there, we have to substitute here only. Now here make it as 0. Okay, there will be no change. Minus positive negative becomes positive, these two will be cancelled. Now drop this 3x cube. Now here plus 4 minus 3 will get here plus 6 square plus 6x. Okay, now what should be multiplied? You have to multiply here 3x. Why? Because 3x into x square minus 3x cube. Now 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus 6x. So here x square term is not there, make it as 0. Okay, negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, these two will be cancelled. Now left is x square. Why? Because here term is not there, so I substituted here as 0, and next here term is not there, I substituted as 0. Now x square, what is left here? Next minus 2. So here x square minus 2, x square minus 2, make it as plus 1. So 1 into x square, 1 into 2, 2. So 0 minus plus. So x square minus 2 which is equal to 0 we are getting as plus root 2 minus root 2. And next factorize this. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 which is equal to 0. So here 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 2 ones are 2, minus into minus plus. So 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Here splitting into middle term, this is the method splitting into middle term. So here 2 ones are 2, so 1 into 2 we are getting as 2. Now minus 2 minus 1 we will get here minus 3. Okay, now here 2x is common, made as 2x, x minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus 1. The brackets are same. Why? Because 1 into x, x, minus into minus plus 1. Now 2x minus 1, next x minus 1 which is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 which is equal to 0, x minus 1 which is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 by 2, transpose this and divide with this, x is equal to 1. Okay, this is the one zero of a polynomial, this is another zero of a polynomial, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four zeros of a polynomial. And next, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 by 2. These 2x minus 1, which is equal to x is equal to 1 by 2. These are the four zeros of a polynomial. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already he has given two zeros. Two zeros he has given, and remaining other two zeros are 1 by 2 and 1. If you substitute these four values in this equation, we will get here zeros. This total equation become 0. First of all, substitute here 1 by 2, 1 root 2 minus root 2, the total becomes 0. Okay, next another important question is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, one of the 0 is root 5 by 3, another one is minus root 5 by 3. Okay, these are the two values. Okay, now here 3x square minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now 3x square, which is equal to 5, then x square is equal to 5 by 3. Now apply square roots on both sides. What happens? Square and root will be cancelled, so this is equal to plus root 5 by 3 and next minus root 5 by 3. So we have to divide with this equation for this. Okay, 3x power 4, 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 can be divided with 3x square minus 5. Here already he has given two roots, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Okay, these are the two zeros of a polynomial, and again we have to find other two zeros of a polynomial. Why? Because the degree is 4. If the degree is 4, we will get four zeros of a polynomial. Okay, now three x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divide with 3x square minus 5. Okay, now okay, 3x square is there, here 3x power 4 is that. What will substitute here? 3x square, only x square substitute here. Okay, now 3x square into x square, 3x power 4. Next 5 into x square, 5x square. Minus into plus minus. Negative, positive becomes positive. And next here nothing is a 0x cube. Okay, now 5 minus 2, 3x square. Okay, this will be cancelled. Now drop it 6x cube. Next plus here 6x cube is there. 3 2s are 6x, 3 2s are 6, x square into x cube, 6x cube. Now 5 into 10, 5 2s are 10, minus here minus 10x, plus into minus minus 10 x here. This is the value, and 2 5s are 10. Now here nothing is there, make it as 0x square minus plus. These two will be cancelled. Now subtract it all, get 3x square minus 5. So 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5, made as plus 1. 1 into 3x square, 3x square, 1 into 5, minus 5. Negative, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, these two will be cancelled, 0. So if you are getting 0 means these are the factors for this. Okay, now 3x square minus 5 can be written as x is equal to 1 positive root 5 by 3, 1 negative root 5 by 3. Okay, now these are the two zeros of a polynomial. From this equation, x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. From this equation we have to find another two zeros. So it is also a perfect square. Why? Because a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1. Why? Because a into a, which is equal to a square, which is equal to a square. So what are the zeros of a polynomial? Plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, and next x plus 1 which is equal to 0, here also x plus 1 which is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1, here also x is equal to minus 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 4 zeros of a polynomial. Okay, these are the 4 zeros of a polynomial.